Bloomberg News has learned the FBI is investigating the solar energy company for accounting fraud. Megan Hughes is in Washington with the details. Megan, what have you got?
Hi there, Mike. That's right. These headlines just crossing within about the past 20 minutes or so. We knew the FBI was investigating. Now we know a little bit more about why. Number one, possible accounting fraud. Number two, the accuracy of financial representations made to the federal government. Now, we were getting this from an agency official who spoke on the condition of anonymity. Now, of course, we know that this company filed for bankruptcy in early September. 2 days later, the FBI raided its offices. Now, there's also been a lot of scrutiny about how transparent the company was with the federal government about their finances. Also, communication with the White House and the Department of Energy is being looked at. We do know that the company and the government was aware that the company was already having cash flow problems. Department of Energy sources that I talked to confirmed for me earlier today that Solyndra had actually told the agency, the Department of Energy, last fall that it wasn't going to be able to meet the terms of the loan. So DOE restructured it for them in December. A month later, it opened its $730 million factory. Mike.
Well, as for Solyndra, they said last week the company wasn't aware of any wrongdoing. In July, congressional investigators asked what was going on. Any more now about why the company folded?
You know, I did talk to some of our new energy finance team about that. They said the most basic explanation that they had was price. The price specifically not of Solyndra's product, but its competitors. Polysilicon, that's the main ingredient in the competitors' more traditional solar panels, if you will. The price of that was plunging. When the plant actually opened, the price was down 40% from when the company got the loan guarantee. And second, Mike, you know, we talk so much about China, and they were competing with Chinese companies, which actually give its solar companies, has given its solar companies $30 billion in subsidies. So those are the two big reasons.
Well,
Mike.
The investigations do keep mounting, Megan. What's going on? How many more?
Yeah. You know, so we're learning more about the FBI today. Of course, we've been hearing a lot about this congressional investigation, the Solyndra executives testifying before Congress and pleading the fifth earlier this month. Well, the latest development, Senator Chuck Grassley actually sent a letter to the stimulus watchdog. Now, this is the board appointed by President Obama specifically to look after any fraud in the stimulus program. So he sent them a letter asking them to look into Solyndra as well. That letter was just sent this week. Mike.
Megan Hughes, Solyndra, the story continues.